Struggling to pick between Airtable and Notion to boost your productivity? Let's settle this once and for all. Airtable shines as a powerful database. Think of it as spreadsheets on steroids. Easily manage complex data with customizable fields, views, and integrations. Great for project tracking, inventory management, or CRM. Notion excels as an all-in-one workspace. It's perfect for note-taking, Wikis, and simple project management. Its flexible block system allows you to create custom layouts and workflows. It's like having a personal digital HQ. Airtable, database king, strong on structured data, better for complex projects. Notion, ultimate workspace, ideal for notes, documents, and simpler workflows. Its strength lies in flexibility. Pricing, Airtable's more database-focused pricing can get expensive for advanced features. Notion's free plan is generous. Paid plans offer more collaboration features. Airtable has a steeper learning curve but is powerful once mastered. Notion is intuitive and easy to learn, making it ideal for individuals and teams new to workspace apps. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs. Airtable for complex data management, Notion for versatile workspace. So, which will you choose? Let us know in the comments.